Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to create your own ebook and also how to sell it so you can work from anywhere. Like me today, working from this beautiful Airbnb in South Spain. The only reason why I can travel the world, be staying at beautiful places, is because I found ways of how to make money online and to have passive income. Today I'm going to be teaching you one of my ways, but before I start teaching you, let me show you a bit of this property while I make some tea. Let's go! Okay, so now that I've made my tea at this beautiful place, let's talk about how can you also make an ebook and also sell online. Selling ebooks is one of the easiest ways to make money online and have a passive income, so you can have the geographic freedom you've always dreamed of. And the best part is you don't need any previous experience, and also it's for free because I use this specific platform called Payhip, and I'm gonna teach you how to create your own ebook and how to sell it through them. First of all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Rafa, and I create videos about traveling the world full-time, travel photography, new adventures around the world, and also new ways of monetizing and being able to do all of this. I actually have my own ebook, and that's why I want to share this video with you, because it is actually one of the ways that I make money online. My ebook is about how to stay in beautiful Airbnbs and in beautiful hotels as a collaboration and even get paid for it. I created this ebook more than a year ago, and I started selling with Payhip, and I loved the platform and it worked super well for me. Started getting amazing collaborations with 5-star hotels, beautiful villas in Bali, Svalbard, crazy Airbnbs like shaped like a dragon's egg. So I decided to create my own ebook so people could know how to do that as well. Enough about my ebook, enough about this amazing place. Let's talk about how to create your own and how to sell yours. Let's go. The platform that I use to sell and handle sales is called Payhip. And I love it because there is no monthly fee. You only pay 5% per sale. Some platforms pay monthly, sometimes 20, 30 euros. If you're a beginner, they don't even take that 5% off. It depends on how your sales are going. So they are really beginner friendly. Besides being beginner friendly, it's super easy to set up. 1 hour, maybe less, a few minutes. It delivers the ebook instant to your buyers. It also prevents unauthorized sharing. The payment methods is one of the best things for me. Integrations with PayPal, Stripe, Square, Paystack, Mercado Pago, which is amazing for people that are in South America. It allows me to sell globally, so I can travel the world. I'm gonna divide in 3 steps. Step 1 is how to create your ebook. Step 2 is how to sell your ebook. Step 3 is how to market your ebook. What exactly is an ebook? An ebook is basically a book online, an online book, but it doesn't need to be like a 200 pages book. It's more of a guide, a PDF with some sort of knowledge you can sell it. It could be about anything. Recipes that you know, tips on how to do something a specific way. It's a guide, so it could be literally about anything. As I'm a photographer, I'm a content creator, I create ebooks that are related to my niche and that I know that are gonna be valuable. So yeah, just think about something you are good at and you would like to share, and that's your topic. You wanna look for topics that are being looked for. So let's say you want to sell an ebook about Italian recipes, Google. Okay, so I found a bunch of Italian ebooks. You see that people look for this. This is just an easy example. People charge 50 euro, 27, 45. You can do a more simple one. There's one like 12 euro. So now you know what theme you're gonna create about, and you know if people actually want that theme. That's the most important part. Let's see how you actually write this ebook. I use Canva. That's where I think it's really easy to use Canva, and it's for free. Write down ebook and look for templates. That's the easiest way, and that's the easiest way you're gonna be able to create an ebook very fast. So many different templates that you can be using, and it's gonna make your life so much easier. Like this one, look at this one, even the pages with contents. I can click on customize this template and it's there, you know? Okay, so this is my ebook. This is my first page. Travel Content Creator Academy, Module 1, Hotel Collaboration. As you can see here, all the tables of contents about me, introduction, portfolio, media kit, reaching out, what to offer, do's and don'ts. You got your first collaboration, what now? You're ready to create. So this is everything that I'm gonna be talking about on my ebook. And you can create all of this on Canva. I created the ebook like this. I'm gonna put the link to my ebook as well. If you're like, there is a page about me and I talk a little bit about my story and how did I get into it. So it's really nice also to put some personality on your ebook. Yeah, so basically that's how you actually design your ebook. You can use the templates, but personalize with your own knowledge and story. That's really important. Okie dokie. Now, let's say you've created your ebook, you got your idea, and then when you have that PDF ready, you have your ebook ready, you must be wondering, okay, so how do I sell it? Payhip, you can get started for free. You have to click here, get started for free. You're gonna fill out your name, you're gonna put your email, choose your password, and then you're gonna create your account. In my case, I have my own account, so I'm going to log in. Yeah, this is your account. Dashboard. Let's go to dashboard. Create your own. We are creating a digital product. So you're gonna create digital product. You're gonna see upload product file. The PDF that you created on Canva, you're gonna upload here. Done. Perfect. And then you're gonna put the title. You're gonna put the price. Make sure you think about the price. You have to look for competitors. You have to think about keywords, what words are being looked for. And then you're going to create a cover for your ebook. I upload it as a JPEG as well. You put the description, and the description is gonna be here, as you can see on mine. In this ebook, you're gonna find how to secure collaborations, free stays, or even paid jobs with luxury accommodations all around the world. So this is my description, and you wanna make it visible, and now you're gonna put add product. Now it's done. It's done, literally. And then the product page will be exactly like the one that I had shown already. So this is the title, this is the image, this is the description. Super easy, super straightforward, and you're ready to be selling your ebook. This is the link, and you can share to people out. Last thing, and also super easy, is for you to set up your payment methods, how you're going to actually get paid from your sales. You're gonna go to account and then settings, and there you're gonna go to payment details, and you can set up however you want. I chose to connect to my PayPal, so every time I make a sale, it comes straight to my PayPal. You can do it through Stripe as well, but it's super easy. You can just click here and put your details, and you're gonna be set up for starting to get paid. It's easy as it sounds. No complications, nothing weird, nothing difficult. Every time you sell an item, they're gonna send you've sold an item, and they're gonna say who's the buyer, when. But now the third step, which I also think it's important, how do you actually find buyers? There are a few ways for you to promote your ebook, and that's what I want to talk about now. You don't need to have a huge following, you don't need to be famous, you just need to know how to send your ebook to the right audience. It could be around friends, around family, it could be to your small audience on Instagram. I think it's really important. Nowadays, social media is super important. So if you're selling an ebook, if you're selling something, if you're starting a business, you need to market that on your Instagram, on your TikTok, on your YouTube. It doesn't matter which social media you're using, but you have to market it, and you have to do things to make people want your. In my case, I made reels about it. I made Canva images saying, hey guys, selling start today. I said the first 5 buyers of my ebook are gonna get also a one-by-one mentoring session with me that I'm gonna be going through all the steps on my ebook. Besides social media, you can use email, newsletter, you can partner with brands, you can partner with people that talk about the theme that you're wanting to sell. Don't think that you're gonna maybe create your ebook and like this you're gonna be selling thousands of ebooks. No, things take time. So I'm never here to say do this and you're gonna become a millionaire. This is not what I do in my channel. I'm teaching you how to have different income streams. So this is, again, I could make a video only about showing you how you can market your ebook. Literally give it a chance, create an ebook. I think it's so nice that I can share my knowledge and I can make money with it, and that there is a platform that helps me to grow. And by the way, I have a link for Payhip. Make sure you click on the description. Yeah guys, thank you so much. And yeah, basically that's it. Okay guys, so now that you know how to create your own ebook and how to sell it, video is done for today. If you like it, please subscribe, give a like. Make sure to also get your link here from the description. And now I'm gonna enjoy this beautiful Airbnb here in the Costa del Sol. It's already night, so today I'm gonna have just a chill night, and then tomorrow go and explore the beautiful beaches, stay at the pool, do some sauna. Yeah, thank you so much, and see you in my next video. Bye!